It's Rogan for Rogan's Review and Race. We're here with Dickey's Barbecue Pit with a beef sandwich. This costs like $7.64 a side, and you also got a drink. Let's give this a shot. This is what the main thing is about. Let's give this shot naked style. Backwards bun toasted. Seems like they used a regular beef brisket, which is really tender, fatty, melts in your mouth, a couple chews, and you're done with that. Let's go try this barbecue sauce with it. I mixed the sweet and the spicy. Get that extra little kick right there. I put it on the bun instead of on the meat so it doesn't trip off. The bun seems to hold pretty well. So let's give this a shot with the barbecue. Brisket is so tender. It's not exactly moist, but it's tender, it's flavorful, nice seasoning with the barbecue sauce, adds an extra kick, with a sweetness to it. Guys, get your side, get your big yellow cup. Go to Dickey's, $7.64. Hope you guys enjoyed the food review. Check out my my Instagram, my Snapchat is Keep Rogan Rolling, KeeProvenRolin. Everything else is Rogan's RR. And our Facebook page is Rogan's Review and Race. So like, comment, share, subscribe. Have a wonderful beef sandwich day. Y'all take it easy. Love and peace.